Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark gaming tablet, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. All you need to do is to press the power button, and the power button is located right here at the top in this configuration, of course, in this configuration, also at the top but on the right side, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing until it will be finished. We've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it, so keep pressing the power button and be patient. It should take approximately 8 seconds. We've got the black screen, which is great. I felt the vibration. There is a developer's logo, so in the moment of vibration we can release the finger, and it means that our device will be powered on in a second. So all you need to do is to wait. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.